This apartment was furnished for an incoming tenant by creating a bespoke furniture package tailored specifically for the space and how it will be used. The L-shaped sofa was custom made to fit perfectly, maximising comfort and flow. All the pieces, from the dining table and chairs to the rugs and lamps, were carefully created to complement one another and give the apartment a cohesive and finished feel. We had previously installed Roman blinds here a couple of years ago, and they still look great and work perfectly, so no replacements were needed. We would have loved to have dressed the beds and those final styling touches, but this installation was purely furniture, rugs and lighting. No soft furnishings, no staging. And that's real life. Not every project needs or includes the full decorative layer. Sometimes we're just brought in to furnish, and even then, it's never just the furniture. It's about smart layouts, harmonious choices, and creating a space that feels considered and ready to live in. This is what thoughtful design looks like: bespoke, functional, and beautifully put together. Let us know if we can help you.